Welcome to my channel, iGallery.
Use a hairdryer or a heat gun to heat the bottom edge of the iPhone for 90 seconds or until the screen is slightly too hot to touch. Never leave your hairdryer in one spot for an extended period of time. Slide the opening pick around the bottom right corner of the iPhone to separate its adhesive. Continue sliding up the right edge of the iPhone until you reach the top right corner. Don't insert your pick more than 3 millimeters, as you may damage internal components. Leave the pick in the top right corner before continuing. There are delicate cables along the left edge of your iPhone. Don't insert your pick here, as you may damage the cables. Use a Y000 screwdriver to remove the 8 screws securing the battery connector cover. Throughout this repair, keep track of each screw and make sure it goes back exactly where it came from to avoid damaging your iPhone. During reassembly, this is a good point to power on your iPhone and test all functions before you seal the screen in place. Be sure to power your iPhone back down completely before you continue working. Grab the connector cover with a pair of tweezers and slide it downwards to clear the flex cables. Remove the connector cover. This is how I check either the new screen is okay or not. With this method, if the beep of the screen gets cut off, that we can assume that the screen touch function is not working normally. And if the beep continues throughout the screen, then that means touch function is normal. Unfasten the front sensor bracket. Use a PH000 screwdriver to remove the two 1.4 mm long screws securing the sensor assembly bracket. Insert an opening pick between the ambient light sensor and its recess on the screen. Pry up with the pick to separate the ambient light sensor from the screen. Now install back all the component and the screws we took out. If possible, turn on your device and test your repair before installing new adhesive and resealing to reassemble your device. Follow these instructions in reverse order. After your repair, depending on the replacement part, you may be able to calibrate it using Apple's Repair Assistant, available as of iOS 18. Update your device. Navigate to Settings, Gives General, Gives About, Gives Parts and Service History. Tap Restart and Finish Repair, and follow the on-screen prompts. The best way to secure the new screen is to apply a sheet of custom-cut double-sided tape to the frame and place the screen back in its original position.
Please subscribe my channel for more and more repair videos. Thanks for watching.